Let me say this before anything else, bro. If she picks someone else, I know what you're feeling right now. That gut punch. That sense of being replaced. Like someone else just stepped in and took your place in her world like you were disposable. You're sitting there asking yourself, what did he have that I didn't? But here's the truth no one tells you. It was never about him, and it's not about you either. It's about her, her values, her timing, her own unfinished journey. You didn't lose her. She chose a direction you were never meant to follow, and the hardest thing you'll ever do, but the most powerful, is letting her walk away without chasing. Not because you're okay, but because you finally love yourself enough to stop bleeding for someone who looked the other way. Point 1. When she leaves, don't try to fill the silence. When she walks away and chooses someone else, the first instinct most men have is to fill the silence, to call a friend, to jump into another woman's arms, to post something that looks like you're fine. But that silence she leaves behind, it's not a punishment, it's an invitation to finally sit with the version of yourself you've been avoiding. Think of it like this. Imagine a room full of loud music, chaos, people talking. Suddenly everyone leaves, the music stops, and now you're standing alone in the silence, and you start hearing things you couldn't before, your own thoughts, your own wounds, your own truth. That silence she left behind, it's the only space where you'll meet the real you. Not the man who loved her, but the man who has to love himself now. Don't rush to cover that silence. Let it echo. Let it break you if it needs to, because that's where the rebuilding starts. Not with noise, but with stillness. Point 2. Stop comparing yourself to the man she chose. Bro, I know it's hard. When she picks someone else, your mind instantly starts playing that game. What does he have that I don't? Maybe he's taller, richer, smoother, and now you're sitting there, doubting everything about yourself. But here's what you need to remember. You're not in competition with him. You were never supposed to be. You don't know his flaws. You don't know what he's hiding. She didn't choose him because you weren't enough. She chose him because that's where she's at in her life. That's what she needs to feel something right now. And the more you compare, the more you lose sight of what makes you solid. Your value doesn't shift because someone couldn't see it. You're not some option on a shelf. You're a man with depth, heart, and standards. And if she couldn't recognize that, let that be her loss, not your identity. Point 3. Don't let her memory rewrite the truth. Here's what a lot of guys do, bro. After she's gone, they start looking back and painting the whole relationship like it was perfect. Like she was this sweet, loving, angelic woman, and losing her is the biggest mistake of their life. But come on, man. Don't lie to yourself. You remember those nights she made you feel like you weren't enough? The times she pulled away and made you question your worth? You were holding it together while she kept testing how far you'd bend. Now that she's gone, you're only remembering the highlights, the soft voice, the laughs, the way she looked at you once. But that's not the full story. Don't let missing her twist the truth, because if she really saw you, if she really valued you, she wouldn't have had to look elsewhere. You didn't lose something perfect. You let go of something that was already breaking. Point 4. Her absence is not rejection. It's redirection. Listen, I know it feels like rejection. Like she looked at you, looked at him, and decided you weren't enough. But bro, that's not what this is. Her leaving isn't a statement about your worth. It's a sign that your paths weren't aligned anymore. Maybe you were growing and she wasn't. Maybe you were ready to build and she still needed chaos to feel alive. Either way, her decision is her own. Don't wear it like a label. Think about it. How many times have you dodged something in life that you thought you wanted, only to thank God later for not getting it? This is the same thing. Her choosing someone else might hurt now, but it's guiding you, back to your vision, back to your standards. This isn't rejection, it's redirection, and one day you're going to be thankful it happened. Point 5. Never chase a woman who chooses another. Choose yourself instead. Look man, the moment she walks away and picks another dude, you might feel this urge to fight for her, to prove you're better, to show her what she gave up. Don't. Because the second you chase her after she chose someone else, you're not standing up for love. You're stepping over your own dignity. You don't chase what disrespects your value. You don't beg to be seen. That's not love. That's desperation, dressed in hope. What you do instead is you turn that energy inward. You start showing up for yourself. The gym, your grind, your mental peace, your people. Because real self-worth, it's quiet. It's when you say, if she couldn't recognize me when I was all in, she doesn't deserve to see me rise. She left. Let her. But you don't fold. You choose you. Point 6. Detach from the fantasy. Accept the reality. Here's the truth, bro. Most of the pain you're feeling isn't even about her. It's about the version of her you created in your head. You're not holding on to her. You're holding on to the fantasy, the potential, the what could have been, the soft moments that felt like forever. But that's not reality. Reality is, she chose someone else. She made her move. And the sooner you stop clinging to the image of who she was, the faster you start healing from who she actually became. You can't move forward while you're still in love with a version of her that only existed in your mind. You gotta let the fantasy die so the truth can set you free. That truth might sting, but it clears the fog. And once the fog clears, you start seeing what was real and what was just your heart trying to hold on to something already gone. Point 7. Let your growth be the goodbye. Here's the thing, no one tells you when she walks away. You weren't replaced, you were overlooked. She didn't find someone better, she just found someone different. And right now, she thinks that new vibe feels like an upgrade. But that's the illusion, bro. See, women often realize value not in the moment, but in the aftermath. When the new guy stops being exciting. When she remembers your calm, your consistency, your loyalty. You're not easy to replace. You were just taken for granted, and that's okay, because your job is not to prove your worth. Your job is to live in it. Let her learn the hard way. Let her discover that fun doesn't always mean stable, that new doesn't always mean better. The right one will never overlook you, and the wrong one, she'll only understand who you were once you're long gone. Bro, you were never meant to be for everyone, and the fact that she didn't choose you doesn't mean you weren't enough. It just means she wasn't yours to begin with. Let her go. Not with anger, not with resentment, but with truth. She chose him. Now you choose peace. If this hits something deep in you and you're walking that path right now, drop this in the comments so I know you're still standing. I choose peace. Until next time, stay grounded, stay focused, and remember, your value is not up for debate.